Hi, today I'm going to demonstrate how to submit an IT services work order. First, open up your web browser. In the URL, type case.coastalbend.edu and hit enter. You may also get to this website by going to coastalbend.edu, clicking on the lower right hand corner, clicking on work order site. You will need to know your personal username and password to log in. If you do not know your personal username and password, you may contact the IT services department and somebody can assist you on getting your username and password. Once you have entered your username and password, click on the login button on the bottom of the screen. You are now logged into the CBC work order site. To create a new ticket, click on the New button on the left-hand side. Click on the drop-down menu on the right side of the ticket box. The drop-down menu appears, giving you several queue choices. You will need to select the appropriate queue that meets your needs. The CBC Help Desk queue is used to assist you with programs such as Blackboard or distance learning. The CBC IT Services work order is used to place a work order for the computer technicians. CBC Maintenance Department is used to place maintenance requests. And the CBC Programming Department is used to request reports from their Programming Department. To place a CBC IT Services work order, you'll need to select CBC IT Services. Notice there are several fields that are required fields. These fields must be filled properly for a successful submission to occur. The summary field is a brief but precise description of the problem. The impact field will identify who will be impacted by the work order. Will students be impacted? A lab, the college, a group of users, the user, or a classroom? I will put user because this will only impact myself. Category. This identifies the category of which the problem or work order should be under. I am having printer issues, so I will select printer as my category. When selecting a category, most selections will automatically open a new drop-down box for a subcategory. I will select repair. If I needed a printer moved or added or changed, I would select move, add, or change. But since I am not able to print, I would need tech support to repair it. The callback number. This will be your 4-digit CBC extension. CBC tag number. This is very important. If you do not know what a CBC tag number is, copy this address into a new URL, paste it, hit enter. We have 3 different types of tag labels, and if you scroll to the bottom of this page, you will see a picture of all 3 labels. One of these labels would be on your device, and these are the tag numbers that you will need to enter in this box right here. This with the silver tag will have 5 numbers. This with the white barcode will also have 5 numbers. This one will have 6 numbers, and these are the numbers that need to be entered into this CBC tag number box. Now, if your device does not have one of these 3 labels, then you can use the tag number of the computer that it is attached to, or the computer that is found in the same room as the device that you need worked on. When more than one computer is involved, either in a lab or in different campuses, you will need to use the following project numbers as your tag numbers. So if you have more than one computer in Beeville that needs to be worked on, you would use the project number 1 for Beeville. You would use project number 2 for Alice, project number 3 for Kingsville, and then project number 4 for Pleasanton. You would not put project, you would just put the number 4 or the number 3. Okay? If you have a phone that needs to be worked on, you will not have a tag number on the phone, but you should use your 4-digit extension as your tag number if you need any phone worked on. Username. If you are the person needing technical support, put your name in the box. If you are submitting a work order for someone else, put their name in the box. Room location. Please put the building name and room number of the location of the problem. If you are submitting for a lab or classroom, do not put your office location. Use the room of the lab or classroom. Please be sure to select the correct site. Submitter will automatically fill in when you log in. Comments are very important. Please give a full description of the problem and what you did to try to fix the problem. For example, I would put, printer is not working. I am unable to print, but others are able to print. The printer is an HP 4000. I have rebooted my machine and turned on and off the printer. Notice I put a description of the problem, what type of printer it was, and what I did to try to resolve the problem. If you are getting an error message, you might want to put that error message down here. You can type it out, or if it's too long, you can print screen it. You can open up a Word document and paste it in there, and then save it to your desktop and attach that file here so that they can know what the error message says. Once you have done that, you can click on the Save button. Once saved, a summary of the work order is displayed with all the previous information submitted along with the ticket number and notification that the ticket was created. Well, that's it. You're all done. All you need to do now is either go back to the tickets, or you can log out on the upper right hand side, and you are done. Thank you for joining me. I hope you've learned how to submit an IT services work order. If you have any questions, please feel free to call IT services department and we will be happy to help you. Have a great day.